Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol WLL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link, so if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Been a while since I've done this one, but want to get things updated here as the trend continues lower and lower. And really the most straightforward way to see that, well, a couple of ways. First, if you just look at where the highs have been, and these highs just keep getting lower and lower. Or if you want maybe even more of a simplified way to look at it, just looking at that purple line there, which on my chart represents the 50-period moving average, that's got a very clear downward slope to it too. So point here being, though, that this is definitely in an overall bearish environment right now, but it's also approaching a very, very interesting area. And this area is very famous. I mean, even if you have a basic understanding of charts and technical analysis, I'm sure you've heard of this area. And, it's one of those things where it kind of, everybody learns about it. And that level, so let me squeeze this down here, is this pink line here, which is on my chart denoting, like I said, the very famous 200-period moving average. And the price is definitely well within striking distance at that level. And then you also couple that with the fact that the value of the moving average is basically $1. Now, yes, I get it, 1 penny below, but $1 is always important because it's just that psychological level. And, now that you have this a psychological level combined with the fact that it's the 200-period moving average, the moral of the story here is this level needs to be able to hold. It would not be a good sign at all if the price were to drop down to that dollar level and then break down through it. Now, am I saying that if that occurs, this thing's going back down to 70 cents? I'm not saying that. I'm just saying is that would very likely just prolong this current downwards phase here, which the chart is, currently experiencing right now. So moral of the story, $1, very, very important level of support moving forward. And then from the resistance side of things, continue to watch that purple line there, the 50-period moving average, which you can see here has done a good job of illustrating where the sellers have been hanging out over time. But still one day left this week, so let's see how things play out on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.